Are you a vegan who's struggling to build muscle mass, no matter how much you're eating or working out? I've been there, and I understand the challenges of finding the right foods to fuel your workouts and build lean muscle. Contrary to the misconception that vegans struggle to meet their protein needs, there are plenty of plant-based options that can support your muscle-building goals. In this video, I'll share with you how to eat and the best foods to eat to build lean muscle on a vegan diet. These suggestions may not be the most common, but they are effective and provide a variety of essential nutrients. Before we dive into the specific foods, it's important to understand protein requirements for muscle building. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. To build lean muscle, it is recommended to consume around 1.2 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. This means that if you weigh 70 kilograms or 154 pounds, your protein intake would range from 84 grams to 140 grams per day, or 2.9 ounces to 4.9 ounces. To optimize muscle growth, it's important to distribute your protein intake evenly throughout the day. Aim to have protein-rich foods in each meal and snack. This allows for a steady supply of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, to support muscle repair and growth. As to when is the best time to eat your meals, a good rule of thumb is to consume a pre-workout meal or snack at least 1 hour before your workout. This allows enough time for digestion and absorption of nutrients. The pre-workout meal should be a balanced combination of carbohydrates and protein. Carbohydrates provide the necessary energy for your workout, while protein supports muscle repair and growth. Aim for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, or starchy vegetables, paired with a lean source of protein like legumes, tofu, or tempeh. If your workout is early in the morning or you don't have much time before exercising, a light snack like a banana with nut butter or a handful of nuts and dried fruits can provide the necessary fuel. After your workout, it's essential to replenish your body with nutrients to support muscle recovery and replenish glycogen stores. Try to eat a post-workout meal or snack within 45 minutes to 1 hour after exercising. Focus on replenishing glycogen with carbohydrates and providing protein to support muscle repair and growth. Opt for fast-digesting carbohydrates such as fruits, sweet potatoes, or rice, paired with a good source of protein like plant-based protein powder, legumes, or tofu. Including a variety of plant-based protein sources in your diet can help you meet your protein requirements and fuel your vegan gains effectively. Legumes are a versatile group of foods that are excellent sources of plant-based protein. They include beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas. Incorporating legumes into your meals can help you meet your protein needs and provide other essential nutrients. Here are the top protein-packed legumes. Lentils are a nutritional powerhouse and a great addition to any vegan muscle-building diet. They are rich in protein, fiber, iron, and folate. Lentils can be cooked and added to salads, soups, or used as a base for delicious veggie burgers. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are not only a fantastic source of protein, but also offer a range of vitamins and minerals. They can be used in various ways, such as making hummus, adding them to curries, or roasting them for a crunchy snack. Quinoa is a grain-like seed that is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It is also packed with fiber, iron, magnesium, and other essential nutrients. Quinoa can be used as a base for salads, added to stir-fries, or used as a substitute for rice in various dishes. Seeds are small but mighty when it comes to muscle building on a vegan diet. They are rich in protein, healthy fats, and minerals. Chia seeds are an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. They can be added to smoothies, sprinkled on top of oatmeal, or used as an egg substitute in baking recipes. Hemp seeds are packed with protein and are also a good source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. They have a mild, nutty flavor and can be sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or added to homemade protein bars. Green vegetables can also contribute to your muscle-building efforts and are not only rich in vitamins and minerals. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is packed with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. It can be added to smoothies, salads, stir-fries, or enjoyed sautéed as a side dish. Kale is another green powerhouse that is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. It can be used in salads, sautéed as a side dish, or baked into crispy kale chips. In addition to whole foods, Using plant-based protein powders to supplement your protein intake can be a good idea. For example, pea protein powder is derived from yellow split peas and is a highly digestible source of plant-based protein. Typically, it contains around 80% protein per serving. This means that for every 100 grams of pea protein powder, approximately 80 grams is pure protein. You can add it to smoothies or use it in baking to increase the protein content of your favorite treats. Brown rice protein powder is made from sprouted brown rice and is another excellent option for vegans. It contains slightly less protein content, averaging around 70 to 80% protein per serving. But it is easily digestible and provides a complete amino acid profile. Incorporate it into smoothies or energy balls for an extra protein punch. If you want to find out more and discover how top vegan athletes get enough protein each day, then check out this video about how to get enough protein on a vegan diet in 2023. Click the video on the screen, and I'll see you there.